tseba if motho a ka tla moga ka mpotsa gore o tšere 950 o išitše ga 700,000, the first thing ke tlo e nagana ke gore motho wa gafa. And the reason why ke bolela so a re ke go tlhalosetse gore why ke nagana gore motho wa gafa. The reason why ke tlo nagana gore motho wa gafa is because if you are born poor, you are born with what we call vitamin P. Vitamin P is vitamin poverty. How it works is you are programmed, your mind is programmed that anything that sounds too good to be true or impossible, automatically it's like that. You can't think outside vitamin P. And it's okay. Lena was one of you guys. La proof, you just think something is not feeling right. No, there is nothing that's wrong. It's all in your head. The P is overriding your S. You have what we call vitamin S, which is vitamin success. P is sabotaging vitamin S on your right side of the brain. That's why usale, but it's okay. Part 8 shikwe 361 dinamela tabalwa 752,000 rafita bola video ke abo. So a black person la o ka mlaetsa re ntwe ya kgonega o so bua re ke nyaka proof le ga o ka makaeng o so bua re ke nyaka proof la tseba keng ye a sa believer it's okay ngwana mmane vitamin P ke yone e go affectilego ka monaganong a swena o titiri poverty bere ka so ngwana mmane la nkoshisha ke tlo le tlela ka part 9. Part 9 is a very, very crucial state because it explains everything that has been happening from the start. Thank you.